What if you could talk to your videos like ChatGPT? Building RAG agents with PDFs is old now. VideoDB grants you the power to talk with your videos. Meet VideoDB, an AI-powered tool that changes the way we search, edit, and create videos like never before. If this video gets 50 likes, we'll make a demo on how to build a RAG agent that works with videos and discover some practical use cases with VideoDB. So share the video with people who might be interested. Let's take a quick look at the interface, and then we'll explore what VideoDB is capable of. First, as soon as you log in, you'll get your API keys, which means you can build your AI-powered video processing apps with ease. Let's go to the playground, which is called as the Director, where we can use this service from its UI. It's a very intuitive interface. Let's focus on the left side panel, where you will see sections like collections, agents, and chats. A collection on VideoDB is like a database collection, where all of your videos are stored and processed. You can upload videos using URLs or directly from your device, which will be indexed in the selected collection. Once a video is indexed, you can chat with your videos, search for section or words from the video, create summaries, dub them to multiple languages, and a lot more. Each of these actions are performed by the agents available in the Explore Agents sections. You will see agents like thumbnail, download, summarize, and many more. The chat section maintains the history of your sessions and the actions you have performed, similar to ChatGPT. Let's quickly upload a video from YouTube and try out some of these agents one by one. The video gets indexed and added to the default collection. We will select the thumbnail agent and see what it does. VideoDB provides a description of what the agent does with a few examples. It mentions that using the thumbnail agent, we can specify any timestamp and it'll select the frame for thumbnail. If we do not specify it, then it will select a default point. So let's first try without mentioning a timestamp to see what it produces. Looks like VideoDB selects a frame from the video randomly that best conveys the purpose of the video. Let us now give it a timestamp and see how accurate it is. It correctly selects the frame, however, we cannot call it a thumbnail if it's just a snapshot from the video. I asked it to add suitable text to the thumbnail, but it looks like for these frames, it cannot add text, probably because they're too cluttered with a lot of elements. If I ask it to add some creativity to the thumbnail, it suggests to use Canva or Adobe, as it cannot do the task itself. From a user's point of view, it's great that the platform mentions everything properly about what it can and cannot do while providing suggestions too. Next, we'll try out the Summarization agent. Among all the summarization services or agents that we have covered on AI demos, this one seems to be the best one yet. This is the part where we will actually be able to see how you can talk to your videos. For example, let's ask it to summarize key points about RAG and building AI agents. It not only provides key points for both sections separately, but also puts out each step of the tutorial step by step. Apart from that, it has given a section called Practical Workflows, which is a summary of the flow of the video. That's not all. It even lists out how to access the workflow with APIs and advanced features discussed in the video. Lastly, we also have the key takeaways. It's easy to see how powerful this service is when it can effectively extract specific information from a 37 minutes long video and tailor everything according to how you want it. Let's take another example. I'll ask it to generate a summary of this video in 100 words. And this is the result. Given the control this platform offers over your videos, it lives up to its name, the Director. Imagine the ways in which this powerful agent can be used, as possibilities are limitless. Let's move on to the next agent, which is audio generation. VideoDB's audio agent offers two key functionalities: text-to-speech or voice generation, and sound effects generation. Let's ask it to generate the sound effects for a volcanic eruption. It's using 11 Labs for the audio generation task, and we're able to download the generated audio through the link it provides. Here's what it has generated. Since this is not something offered proprietarily by VideoDB, we're not covering it in much detail. Let's move on to Next Agent. Before that, we will upload one more video from the AI Demos channel to the collection. It is a video in Hindi, and we will try out the subtitle agent next on this video. So we need to specify the video name from the collection, and we will ask it to generate Hindi subtitles for it.
इमेजिन करें एक ऐसा टूल जो आवर्स ऑफ कंटेंट जैसे कि न्यूज आर्टिकल्स, यूट्यूब वीडियोस, पॉडकास्ट को बाइट साइज में कन्वर्ट कर दे। चलिए देखते हैं कैसे रिकॉल इसे पॉसिबल बनाता है। शुरू करने के लिए रिकॉल वेबसाइट पे जाएं। साइन इन होने के बाद रिकॉल क्रोम एक्सटेंशन इंस्टॉल करें।
VideoDB is pretty accurate with the wordings and perfectly handles the timestamps for the subtitles. No doubt it's done a good job with generating the subtitles. But what if we ask it to generate pop-up subtitles and add it to the video? Can VideoDB do it? We encountered an error. It seems that VideoDB sometimes fails for complex tasks, especially when any changes are requested in the original video. But it can easily handle most instructions, such as generating download links or converting subtitles to a different language. Let's try out the dubbing agent, which is my personal favorite since it allows you to dub existing videos into multiple languages so that you can reach a global audience. Currently, it supports the languages that are listed here. We will dub this Hindi video into English.
Imagine a tool that can convert hours of content like news articles, YouTube videos, podcasts into bite-sized pieces. Let's see how Recall makes this possible.
One thing to note is that it has kept the voice similar to the one in the original Hindi video, which is very much appreciated because in most of the video dubbing services, you'll see that it changes the voice completely. Although it sounds a little robotic and audio quality is slightly reduced. Sometimes there are gaps in speech and a few words get skipped. However, it still fits the original timestamps quite well and keeps the pace perfect. We will use the download agent to generate a download link for our video. At last, we have the text-to-movie agent, which I'm sure a lot of you are here for. We will give it a short fantasy plot, and let's see what it creates. The generated video is 12 seconds long with great visuals. It has conveyed the plot of a stranded pilot quite nicely, although there are some distortions in few of the frames. And I wouldn't say it has properly understood the theme of having a dandelion as a friend. Nevertheless, the results can be improved with better prompts and more iterations. For a vague prompt, it has done a good job on the first try. Let's try to generate a new scene for the same story. Here's the prompt, and this is the result it has generated. One thing that I've noticed is, it is good at generating scenes, inanimate objects, however fails to capture living things in their exact roles, which again can be improved with better prompts and iterations to a certain extent. Now that you've seen what VideoDB can do, just imagine how you could use this powerful tool in your field of work. Let us know in the comments. How would this change the way you work with videos? As a developer, I can already imagine how it would change education platforms. Instead of forcing students to scrub through hours of lectures, VideoDB can let them search for exactly what they need, instantly. No more wasting time, just straight to the answers. With AI-powered indexing, automation, and search, VideoDB transforms how we manage and interact with video content. Whether you're a dev, creator, or business owner, this tech will revolutionize your workflow if you are creative enough to utilize this powerful service. Want to see it in action? Check out VideoDB right now, as it is free to try out, and you also get your API keys the moment you log in. Links in the description. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos. If you want to feature your AI tool, mail us at collaborate@aidemos.com.